ये जिम्मी ओ गिम्बल ए गिम्बल गिम्बल ए गिम्बल गिम्बल ये दोस्त है भाई साइड दो
पूरा खराब कर दिया तुमने भाई। ताली बजाओ,
पीछे पीछे कैमरा
भाई ताली बजाओ भाई।
अरे दोस्त
आइए सर आइए यहाँ पे। चल
Garima Gujjar Unhare ma'am on the stage. Dr. Mahendra Patil sir. Dr. Bhavna Arora ma'am. I would like to call upon Shri I would like to call upon Advocate Vedant Jaiswal sir on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you on.
I'm thankful to Dr. Rani and here for having me. Then something inspire you to go further and go beyond what you're already doing. I think everyone has put in a lot of hard work to achieve what they've achieved and what they're doing to go further and beyond. The one thing that we should take home from this innovation showcase and this day today, that's something that everyone has a potential to create. Noted global best and try to achieve that. For a lot of years in India, of course, global best has been something that we've been trying to get with heaven God. But our standards of competition don't have to be India, they can be international. And a lot of our work that we've been doing in AI after coming back to India with Stanford University is in building that level of excellence, building that level of cadre, building that level of educators that can really challenge in the world itself and become representatives for India in the global world. And that has been our pursuit of bringing new technologies, new innovations, new ideas, all of you to be able to do it faster, better, stronger. Thank you all on this note and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now I would request Shri Sunil Ji Rane sir, founder of
first ever biggest IEEE Techiton Festival, which is being the best technical exhibition which has been organized by Atharva University. First of all, give a big round of applause to the students of Atharva who has done excellently well to organize this kind of a festival or exhibition which we have seen since last so many years. I would like to congratulate the team of faculty members who has also taken extensive efforts to gather the students from all over India and especially from Maharashtra. Once again, a big round of applause to the faculty members of Atharva University. I would like to do the quick announcement for the students what we are going to achieve in coming years and what Atharva University would like to dedicate a particular scholarship to the students of India. The first event which Atharva University will be doing in month of March at NSC Goregaon will be one of the biggest hackathon from morning 8 o'clock to 8 p.m. in the night, where 40 verticals will be invited from the students, and each vertical will be given award of 25,000 rupees. So 40 verticals will become 10 lakh rupees prizes for the students. And one best project in hackathon in month of March will be awarded the first prize of rupees 1 lakh rupees to the students of All India. All India Project Startups by Atharva University, especially by the students of All India Atharva, will be giving to the students of All India universities. The funding scheme will be